Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my first unboxing and initial impressions video. This is my first flagship phone. I should say, my first 2024 flagship phone. And I want you guys to take a guess what it is. So pause the video here, don't cheat. Go down to the comments and leave a comment what you think this is. All I've done is sliced open the envelope. And I haven't even pulled this out, so this is a genuine first impression. So go leave your guess, and here we go. First things first, I want to apologize. I have a heater setting right here. It is very cold down here in the shop, so I do apologize for the noise that the heater puts off. But it's very cold, and my hands are cold, but I wanted to make this video happen. Okay, first things first, let's pull out the case. We have a Spigen. The Spigen case, which I do like. Let me flip that around here. Let me cover up what phone it's for. But can you guys take a guess just based off of that? Okay. So we're gonna set that to the side. Here we go, the big reveal. I'm very excited for this. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, a OnePlus 12. This is my first ever OnePlus phone, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited because look at the size of this box, okay? I wish I had brought another box down here. This box is huge. I have rather big hands, and this is a big box. I mean, it's thick, and it's a big box, and we are about to find out why. Got some tape to slice. Let me grab the knife here. Now, this is the... I believe the 512 gig storage, yes, with 16 gigs of RAM in silky black. All right, so that's what we have to go off of, you know. Okay, there's that side. See if we can get this side. All right, that should be all the tape. All right, knife to the side. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The big reveal. I am super freaking excited. Okay, so let's set this to the side. Looks like we've got some paperwork here. All sorts of stuff. Oh man, there's the first look at the device. Set that to the side. And here we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is a huge phone. Look at this. All right, let's get the unwrap. Oh my heavens, look at that. Oh my god, guys, you have no idea. Let's temporarily put this back in the box. Okay, so first things first, I've seen this in other reviews, people talking about the texture, you know, like on the Pixel 8 Pro. But guys, the texture on the back of this phone is unreal. Is that glass? I believe it's glass, right? Anyway, once I do my review of this, I'm going to do a full review after about 2 weeks. And so I'll have all the specs and all that first. But the texture on the back of this is unreal. Okay, so quickly, let's see. Volume buttons feel good. Let's pull out, you know, my trusty Flip 5 here. Let me turn up the brightness a bit, turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay. Just sort of comparing the volume buttons. Okay. So they do feel pretty good. It's more raised on the side. Okay. There's a good look at it for you guys. I mean, that texture is unreal. I do like the look of it. The camera module is pretty big. That's a pretty honking camera module, but you know, I think it's kind of how a lot of phones are going. Let's power this puppy up. We got any juice in here? Yes, we do. My first OnePlus phone. I'm pretty excited. Does have a screen protector on it, I believe. Let's just... Now, the only thing I might have an issue with, I think that, yeah, it does have a curved display. So I might not be the biggest fan of that, but honestly, with the like the trade-in deals and stuff that OnePlus is doing for this phone, and even the OnePlus 12R. They're doing really good trade-in deals. You can trade in any phone and get, I think, $100 instant, like an instant discount. So this phone, this version here is $899, but if you trade in any phone, you can knock it down to $799, and that is just an excellent deal. And this is for the that's for the 512 gig, 16 gig of RAM option. You can get it as low as $799. Trade in any device. Or if there's another device you want to trade in that, you know, is worth more value, you can get this even cheaper. So, but let me show you why I'm excited. What we're about to see is just so unheard of in 2024. How do we... OnePlus is trolling me here. Okay, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the charger in the box. This is, man, that is a honking power adapter. I'm not gonna lie, that's a big one. An 80-watt fast charger in the box, and the classic OnePlus cable also in the box. I am so stoked to give this charger a try. I really am. I probably won't undo the cable, just keep that there because I have cables I can use, but this is just so crazy to see because so many companies are taking away the charger, as you know. So, put that there. Put this back in here. There we go. So, it feels really good. I mean, it feels like a flagship phone, you know. It feels pretty good in the hand. I don't know if the curved display is going to cause like some accidental touches, but man, it is just awesome. USB-C port on the bottom. That's where the SIM tray is also. If you're still rocking a physical SIM tray is on the bottom. The volume rocker and the power buttons on the right side. And a feature that I've not used on any phone is the slider. So on the left side of the phone, if you're looking at it like this, right about here is the alert slider. I'm not sure on the exact settings yet, but it has a little texture, and that's just really neat because I don't believe any other Android phone has that. I could be wrong, but you know, just a classic OnePlus alert slider. So man, I'm really impressed. I'm going to get this set up. That's going to wrap up this quick unboxing and initial impressions. Don't really have much else to say. Can we get a quick look at the display? Yeah, I'm not really going to know what kind of features and stuff this has until I get it set up the way I want. But there is a quick look at the display. So, yeah, that's it for this quick unboxing. I'm super freaking excited. And stick around for my full review, and I will see you guys in the next video.